Present OSPF Basic Course. Part 3 by James.
Okay, let's start the section 3. OSPF packets and the basic configuration. This is an example of OSPF packet. You can see that protocol number is 89 in IP packet in IP header. This can be seen in following labels. The 89. How to use this filter OSPF packets? We can use this access list. Access list 101 deny 89 any will be deny all OSPF packet. Access 101 permit IP any and apply under interface IP access group 1001 in will be filtering all OSPF packets, right? Okay. Here is IP protocol number. IP protocol number. Okay, go on. Next is OSPF basic header. This is OSPF basic header. Contain multiple fields. The version is version 2. OSPF have OSPF v2 and OSPF v3. v2 is support IPv4. v3 is support IPv6, right? Okay. Type indicate the type of various OSPF packets. Come here, you can see it. This picture in CCNP PPT, you will see the number and the OSPF packet. So type 1, if packet type 1 means hello. Hello, the function is establish and maintain neighbor relationship. Okay. This type 2 is database description. We can call it DBD. Some vendor also called DDP. DBD or DDP. Which is DBD, database description, DDP, database description package. Some vendors called this. This is describe the summary information of LSAs in the LSDB. Okay. The type 3 is LSR. R means request. R means request. Which is used to request a specific LSA from the neighbor. Type 2, type 4. Type 4 is LSU. U means update. U means update. In LSU contains complete LSA information. Complete LSA information. Type 5 is LSSEK, and is used to confirm receipt of LSU. If one router received LSU, will send back the LSSEK. Okay. This is type. This is type. Next is packet length. Route ID. Route ID is very important. area ID is very important. Both sides router must be in same area. Can be established neighbor. Later we will discuss. Okay. Checksum, authentication type, authentication password. Actually, not full password. And OSPF data part. We will learn one by one later. Okay, go on. This is detail of OSPF basic header. No. Here. Here. One package. We how to see it. Basically, one line is 4 bytes. One line 4 bytes. If you want to know how many bytes of OSPF basic header, you just count how many line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basic OSPF header is 6 line, 4 bytes. So the plus or 24 bytes of OSPF basic header. Okay. Route ID here 4 bytes. Area ID 4 bytes here. Okay. This is example. Okay. Go on. Authentication and type and authentication the password. Later in authentication section we will discuss. Okay. This is OSPF basic configuration. It's a simple lab. Lab 1. We will start 2 routers. Use serial port connectables. S1/0. 1/0. Okay. Every route have a loopback 0. R1 is 1.1.1.1/24. The R2 is 2.2/24. Okay. The link between them, the IP address is 10.1.xy.x/24. XY means router. X is smaller than Y. What it means? And R1 is R2, so here is 12, and R1 is 10.1.12.1/24, and here is 10.1.12 and .2/24. Okay. Later, if we have other router like R2 connect R3, so connect the link IP address is 10.1, 2 and 3, 23. Here is 2, here is 3/24. This is example. Later we use this. Okay. Now we just do the simple lab. Okay. R1 interface loopback 0 1.1. Okay. R2 interface loopback 0 2.2. Okay, slash 24. Okay. Pin test the direct connect pin 10.1 12.1. Okay. Pin worked. Okay. Now we configuration of the OSPF. We OSPF have two methods. Configuration is two methods. One is this. One is this. R1 we use first method. Okay. The router OSPF 1 router ID 1.1.1 network 0 L1 network 10.1 12. Okay. Okay, that's it. The first line router OSPF 1 is enable OSPF. The process ID is 1. Later we will discuss this. This is not important. Actually, one router can enable 30 OSPF process. This is maximum process. The second line is OSPF router ID. We manually assign OSPF router ID to the router. Okay. The next is network command. The first one is detail network. We can write the IP address, full IP address 1.1.1.1, and the wide mask is 0.0.0, and area 0 means this interface belong the which OSPF area. Now we this interface belong the backbone area 0, right? The next is network is with mask network. Network 10.1.12.0. Actually, this interface in routing table you will see 10.1.12.0/1224. We use this, and the net mask is 255.0. This is net mask. One indicates the network bits. 0 means the host bits. This is net mask. White with mask is reversed. 0 means network bits. 1 means host bits. 1 means host bit. So you need use with mask is 0.0.0.255. So this is a with mask network method. This is detail. Detail means use this and 0.0.0.0 for 0 and network this part. Okay. But in actual work, some network is /28/29/14/15. You need to calculate with mask. Will be a little trouble on it. Actually, we can use network mask to enable OSPF like this. You can see it. If I have loopback 1, address is 11.11.11.1. If I will enable this interface to OSPF, route OSPF 1, we can network and copy address and IP address and network mask, copy, paste, area 0. Now you will see it will be change automatic to with mask, right? If in actual work you met not class A, B, C /8/16/24, you can use this way. We recommend this way to enable OSPF. Okay. Just copy and paste. If you have some interface, you can run section 255. Okay, you will see all this interface. Copy this, paste here, replace IP address, network, replace 0. No, 0 not good. And area 0. Or you can just add a symbol. Area 0. Replace. Copy this and paste under OSPF. Right? Okay. And this will be enable interface. Enable OSPF interface. Okay. This is a tips. Okay. Go on. Area 0 here. We can use this way. OSPF network 1.1.1 area 0. No, this command and type again. Area 0.0.0.0. Okay. Oh, now you can't see it. I can't see it. Some vendor, like Huawei or Juniper, use decimal format. You need to know how to translate. Area 0 and 0.0.0.0. This is number. This is dotted decimal. Why? We can see the slash before. Area ID actually 4 bytes, so we can use dotted decimal format. Decimal format. So we need to know how to translate. Example. If one site is area 513, if one area is 513, this is Cisco device. The other site is Juniper or Huawei. You need configure dotted decimal format. The value is, this is question. Yeah, this is question. All students, you can think and answer it. R1 is a Cisco device, 513 area. The R2 will be used dotted decimal format. Which value we should configure? Type. I wait. I wait. Anyone can answer? Anyone can answer? From my understanding, you just Google it. There is one spare with 3. Yeah. Yes. This is this is OSPF with 3 new function. Actually, in iOS can do this, but XR don't. XR OSPF with 3 just support IPv6, not IPv4. Okay. No one answer. Actually, the value should be 0.0.2.1. This is means 513 area. How to do? How to calculate? How to translate? Actually, this is 32 bits. Sorry. CCIE. CCIE. 32 bits. That. Okay. And the last one is 220吗？这该怎么说？我来看想一下啊。Sorry。0.4吧。20 power。2.14吧。Here is 2 to the power of 1. This one is 2 to the power of 7. Here is to 8 to 9. 2 to the power of 9 is 512. 512. So 513 means 512 plus 1. So you just write 0.0. Here is 1, here is 0, means 2, right? Means 2. 2.1 means 513. Means 513. Yeah. You must to know how to translate the number and the dot decimal. Okay. The last one is network 0.0, 0.0 area 0. Okay. This is enable all interface of this router. Here we can show IP interface brief. We can show how many interface we have and assign the IP address 3, or show IP interface brief include up. You will see it, and we add 2 interface. Loopback 2 IP address 12.1.1. Okay. Interface 3 IP address 13. Okay. Now we want to know which interface enabled OSPF. So IP OSPF interface brief, we can show how many interface enabled OSPF. Loopback 0, loopback 1, serial 1/0, 3 interface, right? If you do this command, network 0.0, 0.0, area 0. Now you see, check again, OSPF interface brief. You will see all interface under enabled OSPF. So this command will be enable all interface of the router. Enable OSPF, right? Okay. This is three command. This is detail network, with mask network, and enable all interface. Okay, the 3. R1 we config finish. Let's configure R2. Configure R2. Okay. R2 use the second method to enable OSPF. The decimal address 513 translate to yes. Okay. Okay. The R2 we use the second method config route OSPF 1 route ID 2.2. Okay. This is OSPF process. Now under interface we need track interface brief in up. Okay. Under interface we use this command IP OSPF 1 area 0. IP OSPF 1 area 0. Okay. Configure complete. You can see the second method is enable OSPF under interface, right? on the interface. This is new way for enable OSPF. The thing about it, compared with the first method, network under the OSPF process, what are its advantage? What is this method advantage? Actually, the advantage sorry, when the IP address of interface changed, like interface serial 1/0, you will be changed to 11.1.12.1. You will be network under OSPF process again, right? If you use a second method, you do not need to modify the OSPF configuration. Just modify the IP address is okay. So this is recommend method to configure OSPF. Okay, now we can use some configuration, some command to show IP OSPF neighbor, show IP OSPF database, and show IP root OSPF. You can see OSPF routers, roots. Okay. Now this is OSPF basic configuration. Is finished. Is okay not? You have question? If not, we rest 10 minutes and later we'll go on.
Thank you for watching. Visit our website below.